So there's two grace periods that I think about when it comes down to self. So one of the grace periods that I'm thinking about is that if you guys just pay your full statement balance by your due date, then you guys will not be charged interest. So I'm thinking about the grace period that way, in terms of your payment. And then also for late payments, when are they going to report you late? They cannot report you late until you're actually 30 days late. Now, I found information when I put the grace period into self. This is what I came up with. So the self credit card grace period refers to the time period when no interest is charged on your self Visa credit card balance. And this is what all credit cards, you guys, definitely look into the grace period when it comes down to all these credit cards. If you pay the full statement balance as showed on your billing statement by the payment due date, we won't charge interest on new purchases for that billing cycle. This self grace period holds true as long as you paid the statement balance from previous months in full. Your previous balance was $0, or if you had a statement credit. So if you only make the minimum payment or do not pay off your full statements balance by the due date, we'll charge interest on your credit card balance. So that's the information on there.